Easy to cook creamy cauliflower soup. Let's go! I have here cauliflower, cloves of garlic, onion. I put some salt and olive oil. Then bake it for a high heat for about 25 minutes and then after that, magkat tayo ng leek and ng isang piraso ng onion. And then after nun, isutay natin hanggang maging brown yung ating leek and onion. So while sinusutay yung onion and leek, sa kabilang pan, sutay ako dyan ng maliliit na cauliflower together ng garlic. And then, back tayo sa casserole. Brown na siya. So, naglagay na ako ng mainit na tubig. And then, salt. At ito yung ating nibake na cauliflower. So, palambutin natin siya. Pag malambot na, is i-blender na natin yung ating gulay. So, until maging smooth. And then, after nun, naglagay ako ng coconut cream. And I put another salt. And here is our cauliflower soup. I put some garnish.